In the mid-1970s, my dad bought a farm. He farmed it until we had the good fortune to inherit it, and we've been enjoying it, the nature, the habitat since then.
When my grandfather bought the property to farm, he needed to do some draining, and so they put in some drainage tiles and drained out the creek.
I was at a conservation meeting, and the opportunity arose to perhaps address the entire pipe itself and daylight the stream.
We had always gone on lots of family hikes, and they would say, you know, there used to be a creek here. And so they came up with this idea that they were going to talk about reestablishing this creek.
Credit Valley Conservation point-manned us through this. They obviously have some training in how this is done, and I was able to prove pretty well everything they suggested, and then they made it happen. We undertook this project, certainly because it served a short-term need, but our connection to this place is fleeting. It's been someone else's before, it will be someone else's in the future, and we have the privilege of being custodians for now.